Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 3-valve Wednesday. Hey, I'm Brent. Today it's an 05 GT manual transmission on 93 octane. We installed our 3-valve throwback package. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us if today. I've Doug with me. Let's go check it out. We're gonna go down and look at the Supercharger, but a couple things. So this car came in stock with a set of long tube headers. We installed a set of delete plates and our Paxton throwback package. We did not install any Detroit rocker cams, so this will be a cool dyno pull to see what does this kit make with stock camshafts. Doug, come down here and take a look. It's the throwback, it's the Novi, it's the 1200. Comes in about 8-ish pounds of boost. Like I said, we have delete plates. What comes in our throwback package? You get 47-pound fuel injectors, an IAT relocation kit, you get a booster pump, you get the proper calibration. We keep these in stock. We can ship it right to your door. Now, a lot of you watch these videos and notice, like back in the day, we used to use the blue 39-pound fuel injectors. Well, those have been discontinued for a while, so we use the Bosch 47s now. But if you have one of these kits with the blue 39s, no problem. We can do the same thing, same power. You can give us, call us, buy the upgrades, get the tune, be ready to rock. Check out this dyno pull. All right, so manual transmission, 93 octane. We do calibrations for 91 also. Check out these numbers. Dynojet SAE, smoothing 5, 475 real horsepower, peaking at 6,700 RPM. Torque comes in right around 430, peaking at 5,000. You gotta love it, considering these cars, bone stock, make about 260 to 270 rear wheel horsepower. We're at 475 with our throwback package, a set of delete plates, and long tube headers. What's next for a car like this? Detroit rocker cams. You get that Lopi idle, and that's what's gonna get you up over that 500 wheel horsepower mark. If you wonder what something like this costs to get installed, you email quote@brenspeed.com. We're in Indiana. Open that description in the video. I'll put links to all the parts I just talked about. You can read more about it. And if you have any questions, leave that comment. Happy to answer. Have a great day.